Tomorrow we're going fly fishing. Hi, we're going fishing right now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And we got a motor.
Now let's just try to recast it out to the left one more time, bud. That one just came up. I didn't see anything you did wrong on that one. You just got away. Hold on, it's around your rod, bud. Okay, you just saved it. Good. Perfect. Let it drift. Really want to watch that orange ball, because if you do get a strike, it tends to happen quick. Strip, he's still there. He's still there. Lift your rod. Okay, feel him? You pull hard. Now we're going to let it run. Let it slide through your fingers. See, feel that? Okay, when he stops pulling, start strip. Strip. As high as you can.
Oh, we got.
Micro May. Yeah!
Yeah!
Woohoo! Woo!
Can you take a picture, Daddy?
We'll definitely get a picture. It's open and it sucks water in.
So fish could get stuck too.
No, there's a fish screen there. Okay, Max, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's try one over to the left. Even a little further if you can. One more time. There you go. Good job, bud.
I need.
Lift as high as you can, Max. Yeah! Woo-hoo! You got another one, buddy!
Oh, can I try?
Now stop and lift. Yeah, buddy!
Oh, a baby.
He's a cute one. He's a cute little guy.
You said you wanted a baby, man.
Maybe you take that?
You've caught big ones, you've caught small ones, you've caught pretty ones. And there he is.
Oh, look at that.
You got him. Hey, and he ate your big fly. You caught him on all of them now. Awesome, kiddo. That's a spunky fish. You see the big fly in his mouth?
Yeah.
See that? He ate your big one. Yeah.
Okay, we're back home, and Max is going to give us a little bit of what he learned and what he did on this trip.
I learned that trout live in colder water and bass live in warmer water. And I learned that in Lake Shasta, they have to regulate the water so like the trout and bass, so the bass can't get into the place where the trout live and kill them.
Right, they let the water out of the lower end, to the lower Lake Shasta into the Sacramento River to make it colder, or the higher up to make it warmer, because the water at the top, higher up on the lake, is warmer than at the bottom, and they can regulate that, and they have to manage the water below 54 degrees to keep the trout happy and alive. Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks to the fly shop and our guide, Bryan, who was fabulous, patient, and educational. We had a great trip. Oh, and thanks again, Channing, for all the work in getting this set up for us.